Okay, this is our third box from Martie's. Grace opened it before I came downstairs. This is the packaging box, or the sending box. Take some stills of this. Okay, you want to take this out to the recycling bin?
Yes.
It's dripping all outside here on the edges.
Yeah, definitely.
It's dripping here. I don't remember where the drippers are coming from.
Everywhere.
But here it is. This is where it was dripping outside of the box. Okay, so yeah, take that to the recycling quickly as possible. Thank you. And so what they did, apparently, was put all the glass jars together. I don't know. It's obviously the coconut nectar that's... This one looks intact. Oh. Okay, this one looks dislocated. That top should not be at that angle. Oh, lovely. They put all the glass jars together. And now, I've got to risk my fingers. Have they never heard of bubble wrap? Number one, it's a good idea, but they're not obviously wedged together, and bubble wrap would relieve some of that stress. Unless these are already weakened bottles. Let's go in the trash. Ugh. And I don't even know if that's the only one. Okay, so that's going in the trash. All broken and sticky. Hey Grace, you want to take this trash out? You want to take this trash out? Now it's all over all the other bottles. I don't even know. It's like 4 coconut peppers and 2 feels whole. It feels whole. I guess the point wasn't to protect the bottles, it was to keep them intact if they broke. I mean, you know, as in no glass out, but they're still, this is utterly disgusting. I like my, ow, shit, ow, bloody hell. Okay, they've got glass shards hanging off. Ow. Okay, ow. Okay, just got stabbed by the glass. Here comes the blood. Don't step in. Freaking ow, 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 ow. It's alright. That's bad. That is a shard. Jeez. Oh. Okay, that's disgusting. That's my child wants to say. Okay, so Martie's third box. Good idea, bad execution. Remember, the Martie's second box had a broken open bag of chips. The cassava chips was broken open, probably exploded. I think they overpack these boxes, but this one I think was under padded. So I'm gonna go work on taking this out, and bye.